So good morning, children. So today we will discuss about lines and angles. Already we know that concept. So along with concept, we will see some questions.
సెవెంత్ కాన్వెంట్స్ ఉంటుంది, ఎయిత్ కాన్వెంట్స్ ఉంటుంది. మిగతా రెండు
ఎక్కడ ఇవ్వాలి?
లిటిల్ సెవెంత్ అయినట్టు ఎయిత్ అయినట్టు, లేదంటే ఎస్సీ వరకు బెస్ట్ దానికంటే.
అదే చేస్తున్నా
మంచి బుక్ అయితే
చేయట్లేదు.
సెలీనా అంటే కష్టం కాదు, సింగిల్ గట్టు కష్టం అవుతుంది కదా.
చేయొచ్చు, చేయడానికి ఏముంది కానీ అడు
సిక్స్ సెవెన్ పెట్టారా? ఇప్పుడు సిక్స్ సెవెన్ ఇద్దరు ఫోన్ చేస్తాను, ఫోన్ చేయరు.
ఓకే. లైన్స్ అండ్ యాంగిల్స్. Lines and angles. So I'll tell some points. All of you write down. All of you write down what we know very well. These points. Flat surface are known as plane surface. Flat surface is known as. Write down the points. Plane surface. ఇలా వచ్చి క్లోజ్ చేసి సరే బయట వద్దు, నేను లోపల క్లోజ్ చేస్తాను. Flat surface is known as plane surface. Okay. Next, a point is a mark of position. A point is a mark of position. Write down all of it. Point is a mark of position. It has no length, thickness, breadth. A plane which is flat surface, which is flat surface, can extend a plane can extend in all directions infinitely or endless. It can extend endless. Indefinitely. Okay, write down the points. If A and B are 2 points, A and B are 2 points in a plane, A and B are 2 points in a plane, the straight path from A to B is called the straight path from A to B is called segment is called segment AB. Denoted by like that. Segment AB, line segment. It is also called line segment. Its length is can be countable. That is definite. We can define that length. It has a definite length. Can be countable or can be measurable. And also AB line segment length is equal to BA line segment length. AB line segment length is equal to BA line segment length. A line segment can be extended. A line segment extended endlessly in one direction. In one direction is called, you know very well, it is a ray, denoted by like this, ray. Sir. Please start this. Allow check. సరే సరే నేను మెటీరియల్ కూడా తీసుకుంటున్నాను. The line segment extended endlessly in one direction is called ray. Okay. It has no definite length. It has no definite length because it can extend endlessly. Okay. So ray AB is different from ray BA. So this is the ray AB. Okay. And this is the ray BA. Right? AB segment extended endlessly in both directions. In both directions. It is only line, not line segment. Line. It has no finite length. It has no finite length. Okay, completed. A line has no definite length. It has no definite length. It has no definite length. Right? Two planes intersects each other. Two planes intersects each other intersect at a line. Intersect at a line. Suppose this is a plane and this is another plane intersects at a line. An unlimited lines can be drawn through a point. Through a point. An unlimited number of lines can be drawn through a point. If there is a common point to, if there is a common point to two lines, can say that the two lines intersects at that point. At that point. Only one line can draw through two given points. See here, for one point is given, we can draw an infinite number of lines. For 2 points were given, suppose these are the 2 points, then we can draw only one line which is passing through the 2 points. Okay. If three or more lines, passing through a point, if 3 or more lines passing through a point, three or more lines passing through a point, such lines are called concurrent lines. Such lines are called concurrent lines. If three or more points in a plane, if three or more points in a plane, if three or more points in a plane are said to be collinear, if they are on the same line. They are on the same line. Collinear, concurrent, intersecting points. These are the points what we have to observe. So this is all we know very well. And we discussed about intersecting lines. So now we are going to discuss about parallel lines. Parallel lines. And then go to angle. Two lines in a plane, right? Of parallel lines. Parallel lines. Two lines in a plane. Never intersect. Two lines in a plane never intersect even when produced. Never intersect even when produced to indefinitely. Produced to indefinitely in either direction, that is both directions. So this is one line, we can extend endlessly. It is another line, we can extend endlessly. So these two lines never intersect. So such lines are called parallel lines, are known as parallel lines, are known as parallel lines. The perpendicular distance between two parallel lines remains same. The perpendicular distance between two parallel lines remains same. The perpendicular distance between two parallel lines remains same throughout the journey. Whatever endless spots, wherever you can consider the distance between the lines is same. So two line segments parallel if and only if two line segments are parallel, if and only if the corresponding lines determined by them are parallel. The corresponding lines determined by them are parallel. Okay, so that is about parallel lines. Okay, so now angle. Angle. What is angle? What is angle? The geometrical figure formed by two rays with the same end point. The geometrical figure formed by two rays with same initial point. It is also called angular point or vertex. It is also called angular point or vertex. It is also defined as the amount of rotation between two rays with common endpoint. Also defined as the amount of rotation between two rays with common endpoint. Common endpoint. Okay. See, observe this. This is OA ray. This is OB ray. Okay. This is in anti-clockwise direction. Anti-clockwise direction. So this is angle, positive angle. This is positive angle. Okay, this is angle AOB. Angle AOB. Okay, suppose this is OA ray same. Suppose OB ray like this is there. OC. Suppose it is C. So it is clockwise direction. Clockwise direction. Rotation clockwise. So angle is negative angle. Angle is negative. So angle AOC is negative. Here it is positive. Understood all of you? Negative angle and positive angle. Okay. So to measure an angle, what we require? To measure a physical quantity, what we require? We require units. What we require? Units. Okay. What is the what is the units? We require units. The units are degrees, are grades, are radians. So these two we'll discuss later. So first we'll discuss degree. Okay. So what is degree? What is degree? What is degree? Suppose you know this is a circle with center. This is a circle with the center. This circle is called a complete rotation. What is this? A complete rotation. Complete rotation means, see here, you started here, you started here. So this is the rotation up to B. This is the rotation up to B, and you took complete rotation. You took complete rotation and reaches to here. So B coincides with A. B coincides with A. When initial ray, final ray. So this is called initial ray. In this angle, see I'll tell here. This is angle A O B. Okay. In this angle A O B, it is called initial ray. It is called initial ray, and it is called final ray. It is called final ray, and O is called vertex or angular point. Vertex or angular point. So initial ray, terminal ray. Here, initial ray coincides with terminal ray. Initial ray coincides with the terminal ray. So here, this complete rotation divided into 360 equal parts. Divided into 360 equal parts. What is meant by 360 equal parts? Simple. Suppose this is the circle. Okay. How many parts now? 2. Now how many parts? 4. Now how many parts? 6. Now how many parts? 8. Now how many parts? 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now how many parts? 12. Now how many parts? 14. Now 16. Like that, how many parts we are going to divide? 360 equal parts. Then each part is called 1 degree. Each part is called 1 degree. Got it, all of you? Write down. All of you write down. That is about angle definition. When the angle is positive, in anti-clockwise direction, angle is positive. When it is negative, in clockwise direction, it is negative. What are the parts in the angle? First ray is called initial ray. This is called terminal ray. This is called vertex or angular point. So to measure a physical quantity, what we require? Units. Angle also a physical quantity. So to measure an angle, we required units. What are the units? Either degree or grade or radian. So about these two we will discuss in next classes, in higher classes. So degree. What is degree? Suppose you started here. If you rotate a complete rotation, final ray coincides with initial ray. Final ray coincides with initial ray. So that it is called complete rotation. If the complete rotation divided into 360 equal parts, each part is called 1 degree. Right? Write down all of you. All of you write down. Children, are you okay for today's evening class after 6? If all of you okay, then we'll conduct evening maybe from 6:30 to 7:30, 1 hour class. From 6:30 to 7:30. Good. Okay. Okay, write down, write down. Complete it, make it fast. Now we'll see types of angles. Types of angles. Types of angles. See, before going to discuss about types of angles, if a complete rotation this is the complete rotation. This is the complete rotation divided into 4 equal parts. So this is the complete rotation divided into 4 equal parts. Each part is called right angle. Each part is called right angle. So 360 parts by 4 is equal to 90. So one right angle is equal to 90 degrees. One right angle equal to 90 degrees. Okay, one right angle equal to 90 degrees. One right angle equal to 90 degrees. One complete angle. Complete angle means this is total complete rotation divided into how many equal parts? Divided into how many equal parts? 360. Divided into how many equal parts? 360. So one complete angle is equal to 360 degrees. Okay. I complete two right angles. Two right angles. One right angle 90 degrees. Then what about two right angles? Two right angles is equal to 180 degrees is called straight angle. So now we discuss three types. One is right angle. What is one right angle? 90 degrees. Second one is straight angle. One straight angle is 180 degrees. Third one is complete angle. One complete angle is 360 degrees. So right angle 90 degrees, straight angle 180 degrees, complete angle 360 degrees. Right? right angle 90 degrees, straight angle 180 degrees, complete angle 360 degrees. Now, so fourth type, acute angle. Acute angle. What is acute angle? The angle measured from 0 degrees to 90 degrees is called acute angle. Is called acute angle. Next, obtuse angle. Obtuse angle. The angle measures from 90 degrees to 180 degrees is called obtuse angle. Next, a reflex angle. The angle measures from 180 degrees to 360 degrees is called a reflex angle. So total 6 types. Total 6 types. So now I'll give the 6 diagrams. Once go through here, I'll give the 6 diagrams. What you have to draw. But don't waste time with diagrams. Just you can draw rough diagrams. That is enough. You can draw rough diagrams and it is enough. So first one, it is 90 degrees. I am giving a name also in down, right angle. Right angle. Okay. This is 0 degrees less than angle less than 90 degrees. So this is acute angle. This is acute angle. All of it right. This is the angle more than 90. 90 degrees less than angle A less than 180 degrees. Lies between 90 to 180 degrees. So that is obtuse angle. Okay. Next. This is 180 degrees. Straight angle. Straight angle. Okay. And this is the angle lies between, this is the angle, 180 degrees to 360 degrees. This is reflex angle. This is reflex angle. Write down all of you. Right? Acute, obtuse, straight, reflex, and complete angle. Finally, complete angle. I'll write here complete angle. This is complete angle. 360 degrees. All of it right? Make it fast. Okay, na completed? Right? Dhanshuk, are you writing? Dhanshuk, Sangeeta, BV Abhiram. I think Sriram Kashyap not there in this class. Sriram Kashyap. Are you there? Sriram Kashyap? Sriram Kashyap. Dhanshuk. Samhita. Sanjana. Nihali. Where are you? Kashyap not there? K. Kartikeya. GVS Kartikeya. Joydeep. Krishnapriya. Where the remaining sixth class? You are not visible to me. Okay. So that is about angles and lines. So now we are going to see, sir, while I am writing, I am telling, sir. While I am writing, I am telling. If necessary, I am writing big letters only. Anyhow, okay, I'll try to improve my letter size. I'll try to improve my letter size. So now we are going to see lines and angles. Now we are going to see okay, I'll try. I'm writing big letters only. Better to use big screen. Instead of mobile, better to use desktop or laptop or that is better. You have to go with permanent setup because this year we may not meet in that classroom. We will continue in virtual classes only. I think. I know, Jasmita. I know you, Jasmita. Right. Complementary angles. Complementary angles. Seventh type. Complementary angles. Okay. So, if two angles, okay, two angles are said to be, two angles are, write down, said to be complement to each other if two angles are said to be complement to each other if, write down all of you, their sum is 90 degrees. Suppose I am giving a diagram here. A, B, it is C. Okay. So this is angle AOB. This is angle AOB. This is angle BOC. BOC angle AOB plus angle BOC is equal to 90 degrees. Okay. Then angle BOC is complementary angle of angle AOB, that is vice versa. Understood all of you? Suppose I'll take one example here. This is x, this is 2x plus 4, 2x plus 4, 2x plus 7, 2x plus 9, that is better, 2x plus 9. Okay, these angles are supplementary, angles are complementary, angles are complementary, angles are complementary. Find x. That is the question. So what is which concept have to use? Which concept have to use? Angles are supplementary means x plus 2x plus 9 is equal to, what is that? 90 degrees. Now we are going to lead an equation in one variable. Lead an equation in one variable. X plus 2x, 3x. Plus 9 in that side, minus 9. So 90 degrees minus 90 degrees. 81 degrees. X is equal to 81 degrees by 3. So 27 degrees. So one is 27 degrees and the other one is 63 degrees. Right? That is about complementary angles. Understood all of you? Now, 8th one. Supplementary angles. Next one is supplementary angles. Next one is supplementary angles. The two angles are said to be same definition. So two angles are said to be supplementary to each other. Two angles are said to be supplementary to each other if their sum is 180 degrees. If their sum is 180 degrees. Suppose this is x, y, this is z, this is angle x over y, this is angle y over z. So angle x over y plus angle y over z is equal to 180 degrees. Each is called supplement to other. Each is called supplement to other. So I will give one example here. Okay, this is 3x minus 8. This is x. Okay, angles are supplementary to each other. Angles are supplementary to each other. Find x. Find x. So we have to find x plus 3x minus 8 is equal to 180 degrees. 180 degrees. X plus 3x, 4x is equal to 180 degrees plus 8 degrees. That is 188 degrees. X is equal to 188 degrees by 4, 4, 4, 16, 2, 8, 4, 7, 47 degrees. So it is 47 degrees, 150, 150, 10, 140, 139. So 180. So what is that? 133. Okay. So that's the supplementary. Write down all of you. Complementary and supplementary angles. Then Third one, adjacent angles, and then linear pair. Right down, all of you? Right, next, adjacent angles. Adjacent angles. A pair of angles are said to be adjacent angles. A pair of angles are said to be adjacent angles if the two angles have same vertex. What is another name of vertex? Angular point. Another name of vertex is angular point. Two angles have same vertex and one side in common, one arm in common, The two sides of angles are called arms. The two sides of angles are called arms. So one arm in common, remaining two arms are either side of the common arm. Sir, what you said I don't know, sir. See, two angles. This is one angle. This is another angle. Okay. Angle AOB, angle BOC, two angles. O is common vertex. It is common vertex. It is common arm. Remaining two arms either side of the common arm. Either side of the, one is this side and other one is this side. Either side of the common arm. So therefore, angle AOB, angle BOC are adjacent pair of angles. Here only we have to discuss one more point, linear pair of angles. Linear pair of angles. Linear pair of angles. Two adjacent angles are said to be linear pair if their sum is 180 degrees, or if their non-common arms are two opposite rays. A pair of, see, this is linear pair. This is linear pair. Okay, a pair of adjacent angles said to be linear pair if non-common arms of angle, non-common arms of two angles are opposite rays, are two opposite rays. So this is the point. This is one ray. It is its opposite ray. So whose sum of angles is 180 degrees. Whose sum of angles is 180 degrees. Got it, all of you? Write down. Adjacent pair of angles, linear pair of angles. Adjacent pair of angles, linear pair of angles. So now we are going to discuss about next type. Eleventh one. Angles sum at a point is 360 degrees. Angles sum at a point is 360 degrees. Suppose this is the point. This is and this is okay. So it is x. It is 2x minus 5. It is 3x plus 7. It is 3x minus 2. Okay. Find x. That is the question. So how we have to find? Sum of all the angles is 360 degrees. Sum of all the angles is 360 degrees. So that x plus 2x minus 5 plus 3x plus 7 plus 3x minus 2 is equal to 360 degrees. 360 degrees. చేయండి. అంతే స్టార్ట్ చేయండి. So next evening 6 to 7 we will meet in the class. So complete this. X plus 2x, 3x plus 3x plus 3x, 9x is equal to 360 degrees. X is equal to 40 degrees. Right? Complete now. Then we'll meet in the evening class. Sharp 6 o'clock we'll meet. 6 to 7, 1 hour only. We'll do some questions on geometry. Right, children? Okay, thank you.